Christmas memory.
Hey babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari back again with another lead video. So babies, if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming, and if you're no subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Today is day 2 of our vlogmas, and I just woke up not quite long, so it's past 8 in the evening, and I just finished taking my shower because I was looking all messed up, and I'm just putting on this because it's giving the Christmas vibe. Yeah, my hair is up, my jewelry's on because you know my day is just getting started. So let's get into today's video. Go downstairs and start that, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Yeah. I'm gonna make a drink since it's Christmas, so we're just like trying to make a drink for us. So I just want to clear the dining table so that we can make our drinks here. And we have 3 chairs for the dining because we took one upstairs, so it's 4, but we took one out of the chairs. So let's clear the table. So I cleared the table and it's just given this way empty, and I just poured. It's just given empty. So baby, it's time for the drink. Even if I don't know what I'm doing, I just have to play with the drink, that's all. I saw a trick online, like somebody putting ice in their mouth and putting lime, and it's gonna smoke. Yeah, I've seen it too. I feel like maybe I should do something like that. No, don't do it. Okay. Because I know it's not gonna work. Okay, now I think this is enough. I'm feeling super drink. I need it. Yeah, I'll slip myself. To it this way. I just want you to do the other side like this. I'm gonna do the same thing for Ari. Add it by the side. Cause she was supposed to play with her drink, y'all, but then she couldn't do nothing. She just wants a liquid because she said she's playing. This plum is a little bit sour, not too sweet, so it's gonna give you like that sour taste. Yes, as I know. Tell me where you're dancing. Just explain. Maybe because this is looking really, really delicious. And the ice. Yeah. What if it tastes like butter? So this is it. We don't have enough ice at Ali's area of sorry. Okay. So I'm gonna add more ice. Why are you putting your ring in my drink? Sorry, my bad. Forgive my bad manners as a drink maker. Oh no. So y'all, I wanna clean my hand. Everything is done. Now I'm gonna like add this strawberry powder and sugar powder on top of the drink. I'm gonna do the same thing to Ari's and mine as well. So next we're gonna give it the last lemon squeeze on top of it. So, and onto the final decorator of the day, which is the Chi Exotic. This is the pineapple. I love this so much. It's like one of my favorite drinks, so I like to play around with it each time I have it in my hands. So let's play around as well this time. So just put that on top of your drink. Whoa. The ice is all soaked, but the drink is looking colorful for me. What? I love it. It's looking a touch. Let me slice the slime into 2 and bring us a straw to use. So put the straw inside of it.
by the side. Put the straw by the side. Then I'm just gonna add like, I wanted to do it this way, but then I can see the future already. It's not gonna stay, so I'm gonna put it on top of it. So I'm gonna put the lime on top of it. Then final touch. Some strawberry and sugar powder on top of it, just to give it that red color. I just want that red color showing really good. So lastly, for sweetness, when you try to like lick your cup or something, I am only interested in the Christmas vibe, which is the Christmas spirit. So let's have a taste. So Ari, you want to do the tasting for us, because I am the maker. I don't want to overhype me. I'm gonna tell us what our take is. So Ari, let's have it. Don't be so dramatic.
Wow,
it's so good, right? I'm thinking of opening a bar in the future, because I am just like a drink creator. Give me nothing, I make something out of, you know, every single thing.
this is awesome.
So we're gonna tag it AJ's Christmas tropical drink. Don't look at me like that. Cheers. I made it.
AJ and Ari tropical drink for Christmas.
Babes, you were just staring at me. You didn't do nothing. The sourness of the lime. Cheers to Christmas. Taste the sweetness from the Chi exotic itself. I can taste the coconut inside.
Toast to Merry Christmas and to our tropical drink
and to happy holiday. So y'all, like, you're enjoying your holiday at home, do let us know in the comment section.
Are enjoying our holiday.
Of course we are. Cheers. Oh, let's cheers to this cake. I can't wait. Like, even if it's burnt, I don't care. Cheers to a burnt cake.
No, guys, let's get to work. My drink, please.
I didn't say I was gonna turn it off.
So I opened this hanger using this plier.
Be audible, please. My subscriber needs to hear what you're saying.
Oh, seriously? Then I'm not saying anything again. Okay, now.
So this is what we basically did. We opened this with, what's the flour you use? We use, is it round nose? I don't know what this is called. Round nose or what? So here we, so you're gonna take it around your wrist, right? To get the cycle.
Okay, yeah, try it. So we are back upstairs. We are done with what we're doing, the DIY. I really don't know the name of that stuff, but I know it's Merry Christmas, part of Merry Christmas design. So we are done, and it's pretty late that I want to just go to bed now. So I just put my hair up because I can't go to bed with my hair down. I feel really not comfortable with it. So yeah, so I want to go to bed now. So babies, that is all for my day 2 vlogmas. I'll see y'all babies in my next video, but before we leave, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment your favorite part of the video. So babies, also before we leave, don't forget to be you, don't forget to be real, don't forget to be authentic. I'll see y'all babies in my next video. Merry Christmas. Bye babies. Mwah.
Oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.